All right, sounds good, Mike. Thank you. Firefighters rescued 2 people from an avalanche on State Route 89 near Tahoe early this morning.
That's right. Firefighters from the North Tahoe Fire Protection District responded to the avalanche, which was just south of Alpine Meadows around 1 o'clock in the morning. The avalanche was about 200 yards wide and 12 feet deep. A rescue team was able to uncover, oh boy, a car that was completely buried, and they were able to rescue 2 people inside of it. Fortunately, nobody was hurt. The road, though, was closed for several hours, but reopened around 11 a.m. And